Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we have something truly exciting and different to talk about, because instead of the usual sedans, hatchbacks, or SUVs, we are diving deep into the all-new 2026 Ford Motorhome. This is not just a vehicle. It is an experience on wheels, designed for long road trips, adventures, and for those who want to take the comfort of home along with them wherever they go. Ford has worked on motorhomes for many years, but the 2026 model takes things to an entirely new level with modern technology, comfort, and power under the hood. Let's start with the first thing you notice, the exterior. The Ford Motorhome 2026 looks bold and futuristic while still carrying that familiar Ford DNA. It has a commanding road presence, thanks to its massive proportions and a very squared-off stance that makes it feel stable even before you step inside. The front fascia is redesigned with a wide chrome grille, integrated LED headlights, and daytime running lights that look stylish, but also serve a practical purpose during long drives. Ford has worked on aerodynamics despite the motorhome's size, so you'll notice sleeker lines along the sides and a slightly tapered roof that reduces drag. The body panels are constructed from lightweight but strong materials, which not only makes it durable, but also helps with efficiency. Large panoramic windows run along the sides, allowing natural light to pour into the cabin and giving passengers a clear view of the outside scenery. At the rear, you'll find LED tail lamps, a mounted spare, and a ladder that gives easy access to the roof if you want to add solar panels or extra cargo boxes. Overall, the exterior design combines utility with a premium look that makes the 2026 Ford Motorhome stand out at any campsite or highway rest stop. Moving inside, this is where the motorhome really shines. Step into the cabin, and it instantly feels like a luxury apartment. Ford has taken inspiration from modern home design, and you'll notice it in every corner. The driver's cockpit has been upgraded with a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive central infotainment display, with Ford's latest sync system, and advanced driver assistance features to make handling such a big vehicle easy and stress-free. The captain's chairs are ventilated, heated, and wrapped in high-quality leather, providing long-haul comfort. Behind the cockpit, the living space opens up beautifully. You get a lounge area with a sofa that can transform into an extra sleeping bed, a smart dining table that folds away when not in use, and a small but fully equipped kitchen with a microwave, induction stove, fridge, and sink. Everything is designed ergonomically, making it possible to cook or dine while on the move. Towards the rear, the Ford Motorhome 2026 offers a proper bedroom with a queen-sized bed, memory foam mattress, and plenty of storage options including overhead cabinets and wardrobes. The washroom is surprisingly spacious, with a standing shower, toilet, and sink, all finished with materials that feel closer to a hotel than a vehicle. The interior also features mood lighting, climate control for different zones, and USB-C as well as wireless charging options throughout. For entertainment, the motorhome includes a smart TV, a surround sound audio system, and Wi-Fi connectivity, ensuring that passengers never feel disconnected from the world unless they want to. Overall, the interior is a perfect blend of luxury, practicality, and modern technology. Now, let's talk performance. Despite being a motorhome, the Ford 2026 is no slouch when it comes to power and drivability. It is offered with a choice of a powerful V8 engine or Ford's new hybrid powertrain. The V8 provides plenty of torque to handle highways, inclines, and even towing smaller trailers if needed, while the hybrid option is designed for customers who want better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions without compromising too much on performance. Power is delivered smoothly through a 10-speed automatic transmission, and Ford has added new suspension tuning to ensure a comfortable ride even on rougher roads. Advanced safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot, monitoring, and automatic emergency braking come standard, making long journeys safer and less tiring. For a motorhome of this size, maneuverability is always a concern, but Ford has included a 360-degree camera system, parking sensors, and assisted steering technology that make it surprisingly easy to handle in tight spots. On the highway, it cruises steadily, offering confidence and stability that travelers will appreciate on long cross-country trips. Finally, we come to the pricing. The Ford Motorhome 2026 is not cheap, but considering everything it offers, it represents good value in its category. The base variant with standard features starts around $140,000, while the fully loaded luxury trim with the hybrid engine and premium interior package can go up to $185,000. It's an investment, but when you consider that it combines transportation, accommodation, and luxury in one package, the price makes sense for serious travelers and families who love road adventures. So to sum up the Ford Motorhome 2026, it is a bold step forward from Ford, combining stylish design, luxurious interiors, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway, a month-long road trip,